Hello students, in our last video we show preposition. Now we go ahead about second topic of filling the blanks is conjunction. What is conjunction? When we want to combine or join two activities or to work together, at that time conjunctions are used. There is two kind of conjunction, coordinative conjunction and subordinative conjunction. What is coordinative conjunction and what is subordinative conjunction? That we will see in this video. The first conjunction that we start is and, where the and is used. When we want to combine, when we want to join two words or two activity, at that time and is used. Like the first example, maths is subject, science is subject. So maths is one thing, science is the second thing. So how we wrote? Maths and science are subjects. Here I put are because two things are there, it means plural. So are, and subject not because subject so, because two subjects are there. So make the sentence in plural form. How to join two activity? My sister goes to school. My sister study there. One person, my sister, but two activity, goes to school, study there. So how we combine this sentence? My sister goes to school and then we remove my sister because it's second time come, that's why. Study there. Like this, Ram went into forest. He lived there for 14 years. So how we combine the sentence? Like Ram went into forest and lived there for 14 years. Because one person, two activity. It's the same way we can combine two words also. I eat tomato, I eat potato. So how we combine that? I eat potato and tomato, at that way. If you have any problem, then raise your hand, otherwise we will go ahead. Second connective word is therefore or so. Both are the same word. You may put so, you may put therefore. Both are the similar word only. That shows us the result. It was rain. So I came late. It shows as result. ત્યાં વરસાદ હતો તેથી મને મોડું થયું. That was the result of to coming late of any particular person. He did not work hard. Therefore, he failed in exam. He didn't work hard and it was the reason to fail in the exam. It was the result. The COVID-19 increased. So, school will not reopen. It was the result of that COVID-19. If you have any problem, if you have any query, then raise your hand. Otherwise, we will go ahead about our new conjunction word. But actually there are many more similar word of but, yet, however, though and although. Also contrast. In Gujarati we said that when we want to oppose something, જ્યારે આપણે કોઈ વસ્તુનો વિરોધ કરવાનો હોય, then all words are used. Like I want to come, but there was no electricity. I want to do like this, but this thing, this and this problem was occurred. So, but it's contrast of that particular thing, virodh. Like he want to ride bicycle, but he has not bicycle. So, but it shows contrast here. It's the same way yet is like till also contrast, shows the contrast to that particular activity. He passed in the exam, yet he was not happy. He already passed the exam, but he was not happy. Yet he was not happy. I don't know why. If he not get the percentage, any other reason was there. However, almost come into the starting of the sentence. However, happy he is. He is not healthy. Any problem till there? Sure. Then though and although also coming into starting of this sentence. Though he is poor, he is honest. Any problem? Sure. Conjunction word. Then we go about the condition. Condition shows two words, if and unless. If there is positive sentence, then if is there. If it is negative sentence, then unless is there. We already see in preposition. The same word used only conjunction also. If you work hard, you will get success. unless she did not work hard, she will fail. Any problem? Sure. Then since and for. Since, to show long duration. When you want to show the long duration, then since is used. He has been living in America since 2000. So it was long duration. My friend is reading since morning till she is reading. Any problem in since? Now we go ahead about second. Next, because, to show reason. Not only because but due to, as that word shows reason. When we want to show reason, when we want to present reason, at that time because, as, due to, that kind of word used. My friend did not come to school because he is ill. Due to sickness, my friend did not come to school. You may use due to in middle of the sentence also, like it was heavy rain due to black cloud. It is not necessary that due to only used in the starting of the sentence. It may use in the middle of the sentence also. As she is clever, she get success. She gets success because she is clever, like that. Any problem to understand that? So here we completed our conjunction. In next video we will go ahead about our new.